My young life is past, which makes me feel dreary, and an exile I'm cast on the plains of a prairie, far to watch the red man, the panther and the beaver. But my thoughts wander back to the bongs of Shannahever. And now, Willie Noon, in my absence get ready, by the light of the moon, go and awaken masters already. Tell him to prepare and to be mighty clever, for this is our last day coursing o'er the bongs of Shannahever. From the shores of Lachan to the plains of Kilbrickin, and when we reached there, sure our poor hearts and they were ticking. We left in Letterdeen, for the place they did not favour, and the first sight we saw was a Denton Shannahever. The night that Victor died, sure our coursing days were over, and I sat down and cried like a broken-hearted lover. We brought Victor to his grave and left him down forever, and we took our passage to New York from the bongs of Shannahever. In London for years John boasted of brave young Donald, and young Willie Ayres, sure he boasted of Diana. But the truth to you I'll tell, there is none of them I'd favour. I'd give Victor the sway o'er the bongs of Shannahever.